Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at gold on the daily and weekly time frame. So clear 1370 resistance, rejecting the price 4 days in a row. 10-day moving average support is catching up at 1344, and we're topping out a little bit, unable to break above that resistance level. So when we look at a daily chart like this, we can get some nice information, but it requires zooming in to get all the puzzle pieces and to see where we really stand. First, let's zoom out and look at the weekly. Just one trading day locked in. It is a bearish reversal candlestick to start the week. And the upper Bollinger Band is 1362, so a close below 1362 will lose that upper Bollinger Band support, which has been support for the past 3 weeks. And let's now look at the hourly chart for a lot more information. Zooming out, we can see just how important 1352 support is. We held it 1, 2, 3 candlesticks here, and if 1352 breaks, we are going down to the lows on that data release on Friday. So we're looking at 1347.50 and then 1336.50. So essentially, if we break 1352 support, we could see a very quick $5 drop to the downside, and potentially even more. So what I'm seeing on the hourly chart is a bounce off 1352, resistance being established at 1361.45, a higher low of support forming at 1353.50, and then we'll look and likely see a lower high. This is what I call reaching an equilibrium, lower high, higher low, tightening range until we get a clear break. So when I see this forming on the hourly chart, I say, okay, I can see we're seeing a lower high and a higher low, but I want to get some more details. So I zoom in. 15-minute chart, I can draw this trend line and see a very clear break from this pattern when it does occur. So we are now testing that resistance level. Need to wait for these candlesticks to close, as we have been close to breaking here, but these lower wicks holding it each time. And if we break it, we're looking up at that resistance of 1361.45, and if we break bearish, 1352 is on deck. So that just is an example of utilizing different time frames, zooming in to get a clear picture. You can zoom in even more to the 5-minute if you want to get more specific. But the more time frames you look at, the clearer the picture, the more puzzle pieces you put together to get a view of that picture. And we will see if gold breaks bullish, but remember, 1352 break, clear bearish signal on gold heading into tomorrow. So the gold miner is still performing with market strength. We saw a little bit of weakness at the end of the day. Just want to compare NUGT and JNUG real quick. Look at the high of Wednesday, 169.83. The high of today, 169.82. Very clear double top within a penny on a $168 stock. You need to pay attention to that resistance. If we cannot break it, we are going to see consolidation. Want to compare it to JNUG. So we have not broken the high of Wednesday. Look at JNUG. We broke the high of Wednesday on Friday. We broke the high of Friday today. Absolutely a clear bull compared to NUGT by being able to break those resistance levels and continue the higher high pattern where NUGT is stalling out a bit. So just wanted to point out that we'll check back in tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.